Okay, good morning, students. How are you today? Good, I'm good too. Okay, everyone know my name ya. My name is Dian Pratnya and you can call me Miss Dian. I'm glad to see your happy face this morning. Before we start our English lesson today, let's begin with short of prayer together. Please sit properly, close your eyes and let's pray to God so today the lesson goes well. Okay, let's start. Okay, done. Thank you. Before that, I will check your attendance. Untuk ketua kelas atau korti, apakah semua siswa hadir hari ini? All present? Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's get ready for our lesson. Is everyone ready? Okay, ready. Semangat ya. Today we're going to learn something useful and fun. We will learn about stating opinions and also how to agree and disagree politely in English. Oke, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana mengemukakan pendapat dan menyatakan setuju atau tidak setuju. Oke, today we're going to practice listening in English. That means you will listen to short audio or conversation and then answer the some question. So please listen carefully and don't worry if you don't understand everything. Okay, before we listen to the audio, let's review the material first. Let's find out what is meant by expressing for stating opinion, agreeing and disagreeing. Okay, stating opinion is giving your own thought or judgment which is not necessarily based on fact or knowledge to someone or other people. And agreeing is the act when you agree with someone's statement or opinion. And the last, disagreeing, the act when you do not agree with someone's statement or opinion. Oke, jadi di sini stating opinion itu digunakan ketika kita ingin menyampaikan apa yang kita pikirkan, rasakan, atau percayai tentang suatu hal. Sedangkan agreeing itu digunakan saat kita setuju dengan pendapat yang diucapkan oleh orang lain. Dan terakhir yaitu ada disagree. Digunakan ketika kita memiliki pendapat yang berbeda dari orang lain. Sampai di sini apakah semuanya paham? Oke, pintar. Next. These are commonly used when people give their opinions, agree or disagree. Okay, first, stating opinion. For the example is I think or I don't think. Next is I believe or I don't believe. Next is in my opinion. Next is for me. And the last is personally I think. Oke, Miss udah ada contoh di sebelahnya yaitu satu kalimat I think school uniforms are important. Saya pikir seragam sekolah itu penting. Oke, next. Kedua yaitu ada agree. Untuk contohnya, for the example is that's right, absolutely, exactly, I could not agree more, I see exactly what you mean, and the last is you're right, that's a good point. Oke, Miss juga punya contohnya satu. You're right, the internet makes studying easier. Benar sekali, internet membuat belajar lebih mudah. Terakhir yaitu ada disagree. For the example is I don't agree, I totally disagree, absolutely, that's not right, and the last is I'm not sure about that. Miss juga punya contohnya yaitu I don't agree, I think uniforms are necessary. Saya tidak setuju, saya pikir seragam itu perlu. Okay guys, now I have some audio for the materials. Please listen carefully to the conversation. After this, I will ask you some questions.
New York waiters never leave you alone. I really don't like all this, hi guys, is everything okay stuff.
What, you mean waiters aren't friendly in London? Oh, they're very friendly.
Yes, they're friendly, but not too friendly. They don't bother you all the time.
Can I get you anything else? More drinks, maybe?
No, thanks, we're fine.
Fantastic.
See what I mean? Personally, I think people in London are a lot more easygoing. London's just not as hectic as New York.
Sure, we all like peace and quiet, but in my opinion, New York is possibly, well, no, is definitely the greatest city in the world. Don't you agree?
To be honest, I definitely prefer London.
Well, come on, Rob. You've lived in both. What do you think?
Oh, well, I have to say, London's very special. It's more relaxed. It's got great parks, and you can cycle everywhere. It's dangerous to cycle in New York.
Why would you cycle when you can drive a car?
You can't be serious.
Okay, I agree. London has its own peculiar charm. But if you ask me, nothing compares with a city like New York. The whole world is here.
But that's the problem. It's too big. There are too many people. Everybody's so stressed out, and nobody has any time for you.
I don't think that's right, Carrie. New Yorkers are very friendly.
Okay, after listening the audio, who can identify how express an opinion, agree, and disagree in this conversation? Jadi, setelah mendengarkan audio tadi, siapa yang dapat mengidentifikasi mengenai mengemukakan pendapat, setuju dan tidak setuju di dalam percakapannya? Ayo, siapa yang bisa angkat tangan? Oke, Gong Yu, boleh. Personally, I think itu termasuk dalam? Iya, benar. Stating opinion, that's right, Gong Yu, thank you. Oh, again. Oke, Kania, but in my opinion. Iya, benar, termasuk dalam stating opinion juga. Good job, Kania, thank you. Oke, Elsa, I agree, termasuk dalam agreeing. Oke, that's right, Elsa, thank you. The last is Jenny. Oke, silahkan. I don't think that's right. Oke, itu termasuk dalam? Iya, benar, disagree. Oke, Jenny, good job, benar sekali ya. Oke guys, setelah mendengarkan audio tadi, apakah ada yang memiliki pertanyaan? Kalau tidak ada, Nisa akan lanjut ya. Now, I have a test for you guys. Berikut ada student worksheet dan perhatikan instruksinya. The instruction is, first, please walk in pairs of 2 to 3 people. Listen the audio and student identify about expressing, stating opinion, agreeing, and disagreeing. 2. Student will perform the dialogue in front of the class. And 3. You have 5 minutes to complete your text. Jadi, di dalam petunjuknya yaitu ada silahkan bekerja berpasangan dengan 2 hingga 3 orang teman kalian. Dengarkan audionya dan kalian akan mengidentifikasi tentang menggunakan cara mengungkapkan pernyataan pendapat, menyetujui dan tidak setuju. Oke. Yang kedua yaitu siswa akan membacakan dialognya di depan kelas, dan terakhir kalian punya waktu 5 menit untuk menyelesaikan dialog tersebut dengan mendengarkan audio yang saya putarkan. Oke, is anyone finished? Apakah ada yang sudah selesai kelompoknya? Oke, kelompoknya Gong Yu, who is your partner? Ade and Kania. Oke, let's go.
I am proud of us, friends.
I know, right? I think our report for the social science project made some strong points about social media and youth identity construction.
Exactly. The best part of the report is the data from our interview with Dinda, the model.
I couldn't believe how much Dinda adored Kaya Gerber and was so inspired by her.
I see what you mean. The fact that Dinda is now a well-read girl proves how she follows in Kaya's footsteps. Kaya is a total bookworm.
Hey girls, remember who told you that Dinda followed Kaya's Instagram? Me. So the credit goes to me.
That's not right. Who came up with the idea of us doing some investigation of the issue? It was me.
It's our work, guys. Cheers to our hard work.
Okay, Gong Yu and friends, can you tell me which one the stating opinion, agree and disagree in this conversation? Okay. I think, benar sekali. Lagi? Exactly, ya benar sekali. Untuk Kania? I could not believe. Oke, benar. Ade, I see what you mean. Oke, lagi satu? What? That's not right. Oke, benar sekali. Thank you. Applause untuk kelompoknya Gong Yu, Kania, dan Ade. Jadi, Miss review kembali ya. Jadi di sini di percakapannya yang tadi Ada I think, itu termasuk opinion. Exactly, itu termasuk agreeing. I could not believe, itu termasuk opinion. I see what you mean, itu termasuk agreeing. And the last, that's not right, itu termasuk disagreeing. Okay, good job guys. You already understand which one is stating opinion, agree, and disagree. Now, because the time is up, I have some homework for you. I will send the audio and you guys identify the stating opinion, agreeing, and disagreeing. Jadi minggu depan kita akan bahas ya per kelompok. Mengerti semuanya? Oke, thank you. Oke, before I close the class, saya ingin 1 atau 2 orang menyimpulkan apa yang kita pelajari hari ini. Oke, siapa yang bisa? Oke, boleh Go You menyampaikan opini. Oke, boleh. Siapa lagi satu? Oke, Elsa, cara menyampaikan setuju dan tidak setuju, Miss, bisa. Oke, Miss simpulkan di sini. In this lesson, we have learned how to express our thought and respond to other in a polite and clear way. When we state an opinion, we share what we think or believe using expression like I think or in my opinion. And when we agree with someone, we can say I agree with you or that's true. But when we disagree, we should still be respectful by using polite expression like I see your point but or I don't think so. Using this expression help us communicate effectively in discussion, group work, and daily conversation. Remember, it's okay to have different opinions as long as we express them with kindness and respect. Jadi, pada pelajaran hari ini kita telah belajar bagaimana menyampaikan pendapat dan merespon pendapat orang lain dengan cara yang sopan dan jelas. Saat kita menyampaikan pendapat, kita mengungkapkan apa yang kita pikirkan dan percaya. Dengan menggunakan ungkapan seperti saya pikir atau menurut saya, dan setelah atau kita setuju dengan pendapat orang lain, kita bisa menggunakan ungkapan saya setuju denganmu atau itu benar. Namun saat kita tidak setuju, kita tetap harus sopan, misalnya dengan mengatakan saya mengerti maksudmu, tapi atau dengan kata lain saya rasa tidak begitu. Jadi menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan ini membantu kita untuk berkomunikasi dengan baik, terutama saat berdiskusi, bekerja kelompok, atau dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Ingat, perbedaan pendapat itu tidak masalah asalkan kita tetap saling menghormati. Itu yang dapat Miss simpulkan dari materi hari ini. Oke, dari penjelasan Miss yang tadi, apakah di sini ada yang memiliki kesulitan atau ada pertanyaan? Tidak ada. Oke, thank you for your attention and participation. You guys did a great job. Let's close our lesson with a short prayer. Thank you for today's lesson. Thank you for giving us the knowledge, energy, and spirit to learn together. Okay, that's all for today, everyone. Don't forget to review the expression at home and keep practicing. Dan jangan lupa, tugas yang Miss berikan dikerjakan dan kita akan bahas minggu depan. Okay, untuk semuanya, stay healthy, stay positive, and see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.